Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on area model multiplication. It's going to be a review of solving multiplication problems using the area model. 3 times 712 is our model problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So the area model, it's actually built off putting numbers into expanded form. So in the number 712, the 7 in the hundreds place is a value of 700. The 1 in the tens place is a value of 10, and the 2 in the ones place is a value of 2. So we're going to start out simply by multiplying 3 times 2, that's the easiest one. 3 times 2 equals 6. Three times 10, if you know your single digit multiplication facts, that equals 30. And now 3 times 700. Now, this looks like it's really complicated, but here's a very, very simple trick. You solve the single digit multiplication and then you add zeros to your answer. So in the number 700, there are 2 zeros in the number 700. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3 times 7, and then we're going to add 2 zeros to our answer. So 3 times 7 equals 21. If I add 2 zeros to my answer, that 21 becomes 2,100. Now the final step is we have to add these three numbers together. So we have to add 2,100 plus 30 plus 6. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. So 0 plus 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1. When there's no numbers, notice how there's no numbers in the hundreds place for 30 and 6. When there's no number in the hundreds place, we assume the number is 0. And then 2 plus 0 plus 0 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 3 times 712 equals 2,136. All right, I am going to solve one more area model problem. One more area model problem is coming up, and then we will call it a video, but one more example for everybody. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Again, please hit the like button. Helps the algorithm. Next problem. 4 times 517. So we're actually going to start out by breaking 517 down into expanded form. The 7 in the ones place is a value of 7 ones. The 1 in the tens place is a value of 10. The 5 in the hundreds place, 5 hundreds, is a value of 500. So it doesn't really matter which single digit multiplication problem you start with or which square you start with, as long as you solve all three of them. But we'll start out with 4 times 7. I like to start with the easiest one. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 500. That sounds difficult, but there's a very simple trick. We're just going to multiply 4 times 5, and then we're going to add 2 zeros to our answer. So 4 times 5 equals 20. And if we add 2 zeros to our answer, that 20 becomes 2,000. Now the final step is we have to add these three numbers together. We have to add 2,000 plus 40 plus 28. Zero plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 4 plus 2 equals 6. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 0 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 4 times 517 equals 2,068. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, have a great day and God bless. This is Mr. Camilleri signing off.